There we go.
Oh, the pink ducky. The rubber ducky. We love rubber duckies. I am such a lucky mama. Oh my word. This is so fun. This is so fun. Yes, it is.
First bath with Mama
It's wet
and her
your
rubber
little
duckies.
face. Rubber ducky, you're the one. You make my bath time lots of fun. Rubber ducky, you're my very best friend. It's true. A do-de-o-do-do. I can't remember the rest of the words. Rubber ducky, joy of joys. When I squeeze you, you make noise.
I can't remember. I can't believe you remember all that. Are you just making it up?
No, I think that's how it goes. You know me, I just make sure it rhymes at the end. Okay, time to baptize you. You big girl. You're going to grow up and love the Lord with all your heart, all your soul, all your mind. You're going to love Dad and
All right. Mama's gonna go take a shower, so bye-bye.
Now she can take your rubber ducky. You share your rubber ducky. Say bye-bye. Bye. Mwah.
Oh,
Mwah.
that's so cute. Bye-bye.